Grain Machinery Manufacturing Corporation, known as Grainman, was founded in 1975. We manufacture laboratory testing equipment for the agricultural sector. Our mission here at Grain Machinery is to envision the products of tomorrow, today. So we're always trying to make sure that we can stay on the horizon and continue to not only improve our products, but see what needs we can fill for our customers.
Quality is one of our top focuses at Grainman. We make sure that the pride that we have in the parts that we make show through. So we want to make sure that the end user and the end customer, that the parts that they get are exactly within tolerances and they run their operations as efficiently as possible. Kennametal has played a tremendous role in supporting us. Their support with applications engineers has been monumental to hone in our processes for feeds and speeds, whether we're trying to hit surface finishes on mold and die work. We're constantly working closely with our applications team to make sure that we're getting the best feeds and speeds and we're utilizing the newest technology available.
One of the things that Kennametal has helped us solve is the verification of tool life. So one thing that we've been able to verify in our processes is having our standard operating procedures set in a way where we know exactly how long the tool should last us and make sure that we're running within the correct parameters. So the communication with Kennametal to be able to better utilize the tooling that we have has been a crucial part for us to be able to improve our processes, because now we're not just guessing. Now we have solid evidence and data to make sure that we know that we're utilizing the tooling correctly.
So as we've been expanding our operations and we've been getting more spindles under our roof, we've been really focusing on how we can fill and make sure that we're reducing our spindle downtime. So we've been branching off into different industries, including mold and die, aerospace, medical, and we've now gotten into 3D additive manufacturing as well. But we're constantly looking for ways to improve our process, and partnering with Kennametal has allowed us to do that. So anytime there's new tooling, new innovations, we're always one of the first to hear about it, and we're one of the first shops that we're able to try out some of these new toolings to prove out processes. The words that come to my mind when I think of Kennametal are support, really great tooling, consistency.
For manufacturing USDA-approved parts, dimensional accuracy and repeatability are non-negotiable, and that's one of the reasons that we choose to use Kennametal tooling.